Okay, so I'm going through it, removing all this nastiness and doing the timing chain in the balancer. So I'm pretty sure I got the wrong one on there. But yeah, just doing all that nastiness, but I think I found the problem, maybe. Here's the old coil. Doesn't look horrible. No burns or such. Here's the old cap. No cracks. No signs of burns. Here's the old module. A little bit of rust, but not horrible. No burns, no cracks. Okay, hooked up my little mighty vac, whatever the heck you want to call this thing, and I think I found it. So I got nothing. And all I got right here, I bypassed the check valve because I thought that might have been cracked, maybe. So I just got a normal hose right to there, and I got nothing. And let's see if I can do this with my finger, one-handed. So maybe not. I gotta set the phone down. I don't know if I can do this. Here, I can do this though. So you go here, you go, maybe, so here, please. Please don't shut off. Okay, whatever, let's try this. Okay, that's with me closing the hose. So I think my diaphragm's bad. Get over here. So I think my diaphragm's bad, but I could be wrong. But I think it's bad. It could be leaking internally or something. But I got nothing at all. And that was me pretty much closing it between my teeth because I don't have 3 hands. So the gauge works, but I think my diaphragm's shot. It could also be the bad module right out the box, or it could be a bad module right out the box, or a bad coil right out the box. But right now I'm kind of leaning towards this thing being leaking, which would not advance. So maybe. I think that's it. All right.